Hi everybody, it's Stephanie. I am going to go over homework 1, part 2 today. We are going to be working with a different data set and the same questions. So what we do is after you open SPSS and exit out of the first screen, you will see this screen. We are going to come down here to variable view. In the name, if you look on the other screen with data on it, you will see that we are studying the behavioral problems of college students, and we're recording the number of times that they are absent during the school semester, the previous school semester. So we are going to put absences here, and then we're done on this page. We're going to go back to data view. Under absences, I've already entered the data points, so it should hopefully paste in. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we have all 50 scores. Exact same data as that you will see on the example I created. So, one thing you need to remember is any data that we put in the SPSS output page, you need to put in the Word document. It is worth 10 points. It will be so on every assignment. So, once we have that, we're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then Frequencies. We're going to move Absences over to Variables. You can double click, or you can use this arrow once it's highlighted to move it over. We are going to go up here to Statistics and press that. In this case, I already have preset the settings that I would like. I have mean, median, and mode. My 50th percentile. Don't forget to press the add button after you enter your percentile here. Sorry, that's my dog. And standard deviation with your minimum and maximum. So press continue and OK. You will be shown an output screen. This will contain the data for a majority of the questions. The first question, however, can be found within the data, the dependent variable. The dependent variable in this case is the number of absences. How many scores were entered? What is the size of the sample? You can find that right here, as an N. So there are none missing. There are 50 valid. 50 is your score. Next question. What is the score at the 50th percentile? If we come down here to the bottom of the statistics, the 50th percentile is listed at 7.5. What is the mean score rounded to 2 decimal places? We can come up here to mean and look that the mean score is 7.48. What is the median? The median in this case is 7.5. End mode. The mode in this case is 8. Last question, what is the standard deviation rounded to 2 decimals? It would be 5.49. Make sure you include the frequency table in your Word document so that you can receive full points. I hope you guys have found this beneficial and have a good night.